Welcome to our how-to on the all-new TWAICE warranty and guarantee tracker. With this feature, tracking warranties and guarantees doesn't have to be a headache. Right now, this information is often spread out across multiple systems, and it varies depending on the supplier or integrator. That means different contract terms, different metrics, and even different ways of calculating those metrics. It can get complicated fast. That's where our warranty and guarantee tracker comes in. It pulls everything together in one place and helps you take action when something goes wrong. Let's break it down quickly. A warranty typically refers to a promise about a product's state at a given point in time, such as battery health or dischargeable energy. It's typically promised by the battery OEM to the asset owner. A guarantee, on the other hand, usually relates to the underlying performance of the product. For BESS, the key KPI is availability. How often your energy storage system is actually online and ready to go. In this case, typically the integrator promises something to the asset owner. And in the background, there are usually a bunch of other KPIs that make sure operations stay within the limits defined by the battery manufacturer. Alright, now let's jump into a simple example and walk through it step by step. First, let's open the warranty section from the navigation. Now let's say you're an asset manager, and you want to check whether your integrator has met their availability guarantee over the past few months. In this example, the integrator promises a minimum of 97% availability on a system level. That means that on average, at least 97% of your components should be online and ready to trade at any given time. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Configure KPI Graphs. In the pop-up, choose Availability from the drop-down. Then, under Aggregation Method, pick Minimum. This lets you see the lowest availability for each day. Hit Save and Apply, and your graph will be generated. Next, we want to add a threshold line. Click Define Threshold Conditions. You'll see a few options: O constant threshold, O stepwise linear thresholds, upper and lower thresholds. For this example, we just want a simple rule. Was the availability always above 97%? So select Constant Threshold. Set the value to above 97% and click Apply. Now the graph shows you the daily minimum availability, along with the 97% threshold line. In this case, it looks like there was a breach. Here we go. On March 23rd, the minimum availability dropped all the way down to 78%. That's well below the promised 97%. With this information, you can now go back to your integrator and start a conversation about what happened and why. And the coolest thing, of course, you will also get notified about any upcoming breaches in the future in your automated report. And that's it for checking availability guarantees. In the next video, we'll show you how to track your warranty status in a similar way, so you can stay on top of both promises, availability and state of health.